Okay, welcome to this short video showing how my Internet of Things Raspberry Pi display works. I've connected it up to the computer using VNC. You can run the listener.py program and you can see that it will listens on a drive called MyPi. Open my device. Alexa, open my display thing.
Hi, you can control the display. Say hello, or give me a command like sparkle or turn red.
Hello.
Hello, look at the display.
The display is now saying hello. Hi there. Stop.
Hello, look at the display.
Turn red.
Okay, turning red.
Sparkle.
Okay, sparkling.
Stop.
There was a problem communicating with the requested skill.
I think we get that because the device is turned off before it gets back to the Alexa. So you can see that's working well there. To stop the program, just do a Control-C on your Raspberry Pi. Okay, let's see how we do that in some hardware then, in software.